Assalamu alaikum, my all dear students. So today I am going to teach you prepositions. So firstly, I want that you should goodbye your all worries about prepositions that where I use in, where I use on, where I use at. So now I'm with you and let me teach that how we use, when we use and where we use prepositions. So class, this is our today's topic, preposition. So preposition is the word that comes before noun and pronoun and establish the relationship between noun and other part of the sentences. So what is the prepositions? Many students are confused in it that how we write prepositions and how we complete a sentence by using these prepositions. Sometimes you want to mention seasons, sometime you want to mention a time, sometime you want to mention occasions, you want to talk about any occasions. Then this is one example that if you were going to Lahore, अगर आप लाहौर जा रहे थे, then how you say to your friend कि मैं 2021 में लाहौर गई थी. Then which word you used by complete your sentence? Here you write in 2021 I went Lahore means कि आपने अपने sentence को complete करने के लिए किसकी help ली? Preposition की help ली. So preposition is a very basic thing in our grammar that you want to help, you want to take a help with it. So this topic is always with you in your any sentence. Here this is the main things. Here today we are talking about just 3 domains of prepositions. First is in, on and at. So in, whenever you want to talk about a seasons, a months and years, then you mention in. Then whenever you write a sentence here where you mention year, you said that if you mention a month, so you write in January I got first position in my project. It means here you are talking about something. आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि जनवरी में. अब आप ऐसे तो नहीं कह सकते. You will not talk about that. You cannot talk about that जनवरी मैंने पोजीशन हासिल की. So this is wrong. Here you mentioned in for complete a sentence. This is noun. So here you mention in with noun. In January I got first position in my project. मीन्स कि आपने जनवरी में अपने प्रोजेक्ट में फर्स्ट पोजीशन हासिल की. नाउ कम इट इन ऑन. ओके, सो what is on and where we use on and which type of preposition is it. So on, whenever you are talking about Eid and any other festivals like Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Azha, Christmas Day and New Year, so you used on. For instance, if I said, अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि ईद को मैं अपने दादा के घर जाऊँगी, so how I complete my sentence? Here I write on Eid I will go to my grandmother home. Means here I also mentioned preposition which is on. Sometimes we said कि for instance I gave one example for my bag that मेरा बैग कुर्सी पर पड़ा हुआ है. So in this situation I used on and sometimes I said कि मेरा बैग कुर्सी के नीचे है. In this situation I used another preposition that like under, on. So इस तरह की prepositions भी होती हैं, but today we are just discussed about in, on and at. So now come it at. अच्छा, at. You know, whenever you are talking about any time, any noon, like afternoon, evening, morning, any pair of the day, so you mention at. So for instance, I write at 9:15 I reached home. मैं 9:15 पर घर पहुंची. So this is a basic prepositions. I hope you enjoy this video and understand well that what is the meaning of in, on and at, and where we mention it whenever we write a noun. So before a noun or pronoun we mention prepositions, and we have to complete our sentence with prepositions. Without prepositions you will not complete your sentence. So I hope you enjoy this video, and waiting for my another video which I will share very soon. Thank you so much class. Allah Hafiz.